Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to do a quick clean with me. I actually filmed this about a month ago, if I'm being honest, and I never got around to editing this video. So I almost didn't upload it, but I filmed it for you guys, so I did want to share it. So we're just gonna do a really quick wipe down of all the doors, cabinets, shelves. We're gonna clean the floors. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you because I did do this like on the day that I got my keys, and I have since filmed a couple of other videos for you guys, and this one just kind of got forgotten. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
I'm gonna link below if you haven't seen my apartment tour video. It kind of go more in depth and in detail, showing you everything in this new apartment. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link that below. I also have a pantry organization video coming up. It's already filmed, but I need to edit it. And I do have some other videos planned, like organizing my coffee station, decorating my entryway. So if you like videos like that and you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have so many videos that I want to film in this new place. I am so motivated and excited to get my apartment all set up. I also have a 4th of July Decorate With Me video that I filmed and uploaded. It's a short one and it's nothing major. I just decorated a little corner in my kitchen. I will leave that below. But I have to be honest, I have been thinking about the fall time and Christmas. Yes, they are on my mind and how I want to decorate this new place. I'm so excited. And yeah. I'm just, that's where my mind has been lately. I wanted to share with you over here the spray that I'm using because honestly, I was using Lysol for a long time and I didn't know that with Lysol, you should be wiping down after you spray with Lysol or clean with Lysol. You should be wiping it down with a wet cloth. I didn't know that. They say you shouldn't be using that anywhere near where you consume food. I had no idea. Am I the only one? So I switched over to this brand, and you don't have to wipe anything off. You can clean with it. It disinfects and sanitizes, and it's okay. It's not harmful for you. So that's what I used mainly for everything in my house because Lysol is not good for the kitchen especially. So if you didn't know, now you know.
To start the rebuilding of life, the roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun
I need suggestions because this sink has some sort of a stain on it. I'm not sure if it was a sticker that they had, you know, being that it was a new sink. I'm not sure. It has like this brown stain. I'm gonna give you a close-up, but I don't know how to take it off. It's, you know, only in 2 spots in the sink. It's not all over the sink, but it's kind of noticeable, as you can see here. And it's not dirty, and it's, you know, it's not grime or anything. I'm not sure what it is. If you guys know, please let me know. I don't know if that was residue from the sticker. It's not sticky or anything like that, but it kind of bothers me. So if you guys can let me know how I can get rid of that, I would appreciate it. I'm showing you here the liners that I'm using in the cabinets. They're from Walmart, and I just like to put liners just to, you know, protect whatever it is that I'm putting in that shelf. And I put a lot of mugs and glasses and breakable things, so it's always good, in my opinion, to have liners.
All that ever was is alright. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
These are my new glasses. I did haul these for you guys before I moved in. The set is from Hobby Lobby, the picture and glasses, and this 4-piece set is also from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. I was just making sure that they were dishwasher safe, but they are. And so I'm just gonna pop them in there. I ended up washing everything that I bought in the dishwasher. And yeah, pretty simple. Nothing major going on here. At this point when I was recording this video, I still wasn't fully moved in yet. So I didn't have much to wash, but as I opened up boxes and everything, this is where they went. I don't use a dishwasher on a regular basis. I don't mind washing dishes. So yeah, but for the sake of the video and just make things easier for me, I did pop everything in the dishwasher. And I am very much enjoying this pitcher. I do keep it in the fridge with water, and I do enjoy it. And I enjoy not buying so many water bottles anymore now that I have this refrigerator.
It's a good day to live.
This is what I use to clean my toilet bowls. I don't like using brushes. These little sponges, you just throw them out once you're done cleaning. The little container is small, sleek, very compact. You put that next to your toilet bowl. Nobody will know what it's for. It might be more expensive since I have to be buying refills, but I personally do not like the brushes. They kind of skeeze me out. Anybody else like me, or am I the only one? And I really like the Clorox brand, so I recommend if you guys want to try it out. But yeah, and then I wanted to share with you guys this shelf. I also hauled this in one of my videos for you guys. It's from Dollar Tree, $5. Very impressed. It's very sturdy and it holds quite a bit. So if you see that, I do recommend that you pick it up if you need anything, like storage item or whatnot. And it's great for under the cabinet. But I wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I appreciate you. This was a very quick clean with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I have a couple of videos coming up, as I mentioned before. So make sure you're subscribed. I appreciate you all. And until the next time, bye.